Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm in the audio studio here at Studio Me. This space is great for all of your audio needs, including interviews, podcasts, and much, much more. Today, I'd like to show you how to best make use of this space here in the audio studio. There are two condenser microphones available, which we have plugged into a Steinberg audio interface with Yamaha preamps. You can see we have a 27-inch iMac behind us, but also a mirrored display. That way I can easily bring wireless keyboard and mouse over from the main workstation to the table and continue to monitor my levels and project as it records right from this workstation. Everything is controlled directly from the Steinberg audio interface. There are 5 basic controls on the interface. We have 2 inputs, one for mic A, one for mic B. We have a mix control, which controls what you're hearing live versus from the computer. We also have a headphone volume control and an output volume control. The output volume control controls the audio level through the Yamaha monitors that are also available directly behind me. Let me run you through a quick example. For this project here, we're only utilizing one mic, that's mic A. You can see that's why we have input 1 on the interface turned to the appropriate level. If we were utilizing a second mic, which is mic B, we would utilize the second input level here on the audio interface. We would turn that up to the appropriate level to make sure it wasn't too low and not clipping. Moving on to the mix style, you have 2 options, input and DAW. Typically, you'll just want to leave this on DAW. Otherwise, you're going to hear audio through the monitors. If you wanted to listen to yourself through the headphones, you could turn down this output, which is the monitors, put your headphones on, and now if I turn this mix style closer to input, I can hear myself through the headphones. Otherwise, if you're recording without the headphones, you can just leave that all the way over to DAW and you'll be good to go. When you have your hardware all set up and ready to go, it's time to move into software. There are more in-depth tutorial videos on the resources section of the Studio Me website, so go ahead and check those out when you're ready to move on. You typically want to keep yourself about 6 inches away from this initial windscreen when doing your recordings. If you're too far away, you would need your input up way too high and you'd be picking up extraneous noises in the studio. If it's too close, it might become distorted and you might start to clip throughout your project if you have your input set too high. When you're done with your project, you can export the file onto your own USB flash drive, and there's also some available here for purchase. And that's it. That covers all the basics of the audio studio here at Studio Me. Don't forget to check out the other audio tutorials on the resources section of the website at www.studiome.me.